T129 ATAK helicopter is emerging as a formidable contender in the global defense market, with Turkish Aerospace Industries (TAI) targeting European markets such as Germany. This combat helicopter is set to play a crucial role in reshaping defense capabilities worldwide. But what exactly is the T129? Why is it considered an advanced weapons system? And how could it benefit Germany? Let's take a deep dive into this remarkable aircraft. Turkey's selling T129 ATAK helicopter to Germany. How good is it? The global defense landscape is evolving. For decades, the United States and Europe have dominated military aviation, but now Turkey is stepping into the spotlight. Turkish Aerospace Industries is making waves with its advanced T129 ATAK helicopter, and it's now eyeing the prestigious European market, specifically Germany. The T129 ATAK is more than just another attack helicopter. It's a symbol of Turkey's growing influence in the global defense sector. But what makes the T129 ATAK so special? What sets it apart from the competition, and why is it generating so much interest abroad? Let's dive deeper into the T129 ATAK, an impressive machine designed to challenge the best in the world. The T129 ATAK is a twin-engine, multi-role attack helicopter developed by Turkey's Turkish Aerospace Industries in collaboration with Italy's Leonardo. Designed specifically to meet the needs of the Turkish armed forces, the T129 ATAK is built to operate in diverse combat environments, from mountainous terrain to urban landscapes, offering unmatched versatility and performance. With its powerful armament suite, advanced avionics, and impressive maneuverability, the T129 ATAK is capable of taking on a wide range of missions. From anti-armor operations to armed reconnaissance, fire support, and even counterinsurgency, the T129 ATAK excels in every role. Equipped with laser-guided missiles like the UMTAS and CİRİT rockets, along with a 20mm 197 Gatling gun, the T129 ATAK delivers devastating firepower. Its advanced avionics suite, including infrared sensors and radar, allows the helicopter to operate in all weather conditions, day or night, ensuring precision and effectiveness in every mission. The T129 ATAK doesn't just impress with firepower, it's designed with survivability in mind. With advanced protection systems, including electronic warfare suites and ballistic armor, the T129 ATAK ensures that the crew remains safe even in the most hostile environments. Now, why is Germany eyeing the T129 ATAK? The German military faces significant challenges with its current fleet of attack helicopters, particularly the AH-90, due to performance issues and increasing maintenance costs. Germany is actively exploring alternatives. That's where the T129 ATAK comes into play. Germany is looking to modernize its fleet, and the T129 ATAK offers a compelling solution. With its proven combat performance, advanced technology, and competitive pricing, the T129 ATAK stands out as a perfect fit for Germany's needs. Although discussions are still in their early stages, TAI's CEO, Mehmet Demiroglu, is optimistic about future collaboration, believing the T129 ATAK could play a vital role in Germany's military modernization. The T129 ATAK's appeal goes beyond just its capabilities. It offers excellent value for money compared to other attack helicopters in the market. While the AH-64 Apache, one of the world's most advanced attack helicopters, comes with a hefty price tag, The T129 ATAK provides similar performance at a fraction of the cost. For countries like Germany, facing budgetary constraints while needing a high-performance solution, this is a significant advantage. TAI's focus on continuous improvement is another factor that sets the T129 ATAK apart. With a commitment to innovation, TAI ensures that its products remain at the forefront of defense technology. The T129 ATAK benefits from ongoing upgrades, ensuring that it stays ahead of evolving threats and remains an effective tool in modern warfare. TAI has already successfully exported the T129 ATAK to countries like the Philippines and Nigeria, proving the helicopter's global appeal. Now, with Germany expressing interest, TAI is positioning itself to expand further into the European defense market. And TAI's ambitions don't stop with helicopters. The company is also targeting the global UAV market, with the AH-64 unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, making waves in the United States. This commitment to innovation positions TAI as a key player in the future of global defense. The T129 ATA represents more than just a technological breakthrough. It's a symbol of Turkey's growing influence in the global defense sector. As TAI seeks to sell the T129 ATA to Germany and beyond, it's clear that this helicopter is not just a tool of war, it's a strategic asset that could redefine the future of combat aviation. As TAI continues to innovate and expand its global footprint, the T129 ATAK is poised to become a cornerstone of modern military fleets around the world. Whether it's in Germany, the Philippines, or other countries seeking advanced, cost-effective solutions, the T129 ATAK is proving that Turkey is a serious player in the world of defense technology. In a world where military power is constantly evolving, the T129 ATAK is a prime example of how innovation, performance, and cost-effectiveness can come together to create a game-changing platform. As TAI sets its sights on new markets, the future of defense technology is being shaped by cutting-edge aircraft like the T129 ATAK. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more updates on the advanced technologies reshaping the future of warfare.